Hey travel friends, today on Due to the Travel Bug, we found some unusual lodging with some pretty unique neighbors. We're spending the night in a tiger sanctuary. Outside Eureka Springs, Arkansas, in the rolling hills of the Ozarks, is Turpentine Creek Wildlife Refuge. This is a tiger sanctuary. The residents here are beautiful cats that are here for a second chance. They ended up here because of human cruelty, greed, and stupidity. Turpentine Creek is a sanctuary for really all big cats and a couple of bears. This is a place for healing and recovery for these exotic creatures who have been rescued from roadside zoos, backyard breeders, and morons who think a Bengal tiger would make a pretty cool pet. The sanctuary offers multiple tours a day in open-air trams. And if you're lucky enough to be staying on property like us, you can jump on as many tours as you like during your stay, and it's included in the price of your stay. On our tour, we learn all about the animals and their stories. Sometimes it's not the easiest to hear, like white tigers made popular in Las Vegas magic acts. These guys are not naturally found in nature. In fact, they can all be traced back to just one Bengal tiger who had a genetic mutation making him white. Then humans intensely bred him and other tigers in captivity, pairing close relatives, causing severe genetic problems like cleft palates, club foot, and crossed eyes, like Sweet Kenny, the park mascot that passed away not too long ago. And other stories about these tigers, unfortunately, we know a little too well.
So, this jaguar may be famous. Not only does he have an awesome name, Bagheera, but the Department of Justice sees you from the Tiger King Park.
Oh.
Look at that.
Yep, Turpentine Creek is now home to Joe Exotic's tigers from the Tiger King documentary on Netflix. Joe Exotic bred and mistreated tigers for his tiger cub petting and roadside zoo. It feels good knowing these animals now get to live out the rest of their lives here in dignity with the kind caregivers who volunteer here and had to learn a handy skill.
Sometimes farmers will donate a cow that they were going to have put down or processed anyway. They donate it to the facility, and then they have to part them out, butcher them, by hand, like they have a full cow.
What a skill you didn't think about, when you got a job here that you'd have to learn.
Yep.
We go back to the Welcome Center and pick up our keys to the Siberian Suite. Turpentine Creek has multiple lodging options like glamping tents and tree houses. But we're staying in our favorite room here. We just keep coming back to the Siberian Suite. And it probably has something to do with Joey, the boy next door. All right. Do you remember this, guys?
Yeah, a lot of it, but there's a few new parts, which is nice.
Yeah, we were here a few years ago, huh? All right, it's a nice table. Look at you got a coloring book, a tiger coloring book, and there's tiger art. So this is a pull-out, right?
Yep.
Then we have a little kitchenette over here. Yeah, we got some oatmeal and muffins, juice, fruit,
Water, yep.
yeah, coffees and teas. And then in there, out our window, is a cat. Do you believe that, Beebs? Right there. That's our kitty, for the weekend. He looks like he needs a cuddle. There he is. Hi, kitty. And then here's the bedroom. You got a TV in the front room, TV back there. Kind of nice.
Yeah.
I like a heavy-handed theming, right, guys?
Yeah, and the tiger bed.
Yep, tiger bed. And then this is the bathroom. You got a big jetted tub and shower and big vanity, good toiletries. Perfect. There's plenty to do while here. You're only a short 15 minutes away from the town of Eureka Springs. All guests get the codes to the gates and can come and go as they please, so you can enjoy the absolutely adorable and eccentric town. We get home as the sun sets and we tuck into the sounds of the cats. Is it weird to wake up to a white tiger as your rooster in the morning?
Yeah, and then just seeing a lion right there.
Just seeing a lion when you wake up?
Yeah.
They're being very chatty this morning, huh? I think they're saying, "Feed me breakfast."
For more unique travel shows, like and subscribe to see where Doodlebug goes next.